Hey guys, Alpine Companies. We're on an epoxy injection project. Got all of our zerks on. Got the crack sealed between the zerks. So we are starting injection today. Key to injecting these is lots of experience. You go too slow or you go too fast, you're gonna not fill the crack properly, or you're gonna blow the ports off the wall. It's going to be a bad ordeal. I've done thousands of these projects. You can follow all my projects on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link and watch close to 2,000 videos of my other jobs. Typically what I do is these air bubbles that are coming through this line, they tell me about how quick and the pressure that I want to use to inject each one of these ports. It's more of a feeling. You get pressure built up on the gun. After doing it long enough, you get to learn how and when to stop. It's Alpine. See you guys on the next video.